It's Coach Jess, and today we're talking about how to do a reverse fly. Let's talk about what muscles are activated and then how to do the exercise. So the muscles that are activated in a reverse fly is your lower body, but mainly your upper. We're going to talk about the lower in a second. Our upper body, which is the muscles of our back, is the main focus of this movement. So you should feel the muscles around your shoulder blade being activated. Now your legs have to support you, so you should feel your muscles in your lower body too to stabilize you in your movement. So now let's talk about how to do the exercise. Like all our standing movements, we start with our feet shoulder distance, and we want to have a slight bend at our knee. From there, we do want to hinge at our waist, pushing our hips back to that imaginary wall. Okay, so think about trying to push your hips to that wall or closing a car door. From there, we want to roll our shoulders back to create a neutral spine and not activate or aggravate, I should say, aggravate our back. Shoulders are back, core is braced. So we're really tensing up those muscles, really thinking about that on this movement to protect our back. My lower spine, if you can see this little movement here, I'm really pushing and arching at the lower back. So don't round it. We want to arch back like so. So you got to really push the butt back. From there, our eyes are pointing or looking at the floor and our weights are relaxed. At this point, the movement starts at our shoulders. So slightly bend your elbow, just a little bit, and then bring your hands up and out as if you're pulling bands from the floor. Now you should get to shoulder level and come back down to rested position and repeat. You do want to control it at the top and control it at the bottom. Don't let the weights hit each other in the movement. What you want to avoid with this exercise is losing control, going way past shoulder level, bringing the arms all the way up, hyperextension. We don't want to do that. And two, we don't want to find ourselves keeping our chest too high. So what I see a lot of times when people start for the first time is they keep their chest up high and they find themselves feeling their shoulders more than their back. You got to lower it, let gravity do its work, and then do your movement. So this is how you do your reverse fly, and I'll see you on the next video.